Always wash your hands before eating and cooking. Okay, let's start.
I wanted to say mother. Instead, I was teaching about fruits and vegetables.
That's great. You know, you're supposed to eat 5 fruit and vegetables every single day.
Do you do that?
Of course, like look at these potatoes. Potatoes a vegetable, right?
Yes, I taught it as a vegetable.
But it's really not, actually. Well, it is, but that's usually not what we mean by fruit and vegetables. It's not good for you.
They are good, they're tasty.
Well, if you fry them, but just boiled potatoes are not that good.
I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, Nate is so sensitive. I know you are. Very touched.
Yeah, very touched that you brought milk.
Yeah, I brought milk, wine, and the cake that I got at the wine. There's a really nice story behind that. I mean the tradition. But we'll talk about that later.
I'm gonna have to get new oil soon.
What?
I'm gonna have to get new oil soon.
Yeah, sure.
Cause I cook too much.
You fry too much. You just don't go grocery shopping.
I do. I have most of the food we're cooking one time. So I don't want to hear it.
That's a real achievement though. Because Nate is usually, well, I can say never. Can I say never? He never goes grocery shopping, so every time.
Even though it's right next to
Yeah.
me.
Like his apartment is so conveniently placed. Like I would say he lives right at the station. Not even close to the station, right at the station.
Is this enough mushrooms or do you want more?
Are you kidding? Like, can you see this, guys? Like, it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4 mushrooms. Is this enough for us? And they're just tiny small. Okay, yeah, this might be enough. Can you please explain what's happening, Nate? What is happening?
Cooking the onions and boiling the water for the potatoes, cooking the lardon.
What is lardon for those who are not familiar with
It's
French
basically
supermarkets?
bacon,
Yeah.
but it tastes a little different.
How different?
Not that much different.
But how exactly different? Tell me.
It's not as crispy, which is fine. It's still made out of pork. It smells like bacon.
Okay. Yeah, so it's basically bacon.
It's basically bacon. I like the clean as we go approach. So if you're done with the dish, you just clean it real quick. So then you have less dishes later. This is smart.
Today we're also drinking this sexy wine. My favorite type of wine, Cotés du Rhône. It's a local wine produced not far from Lyon. That's where we're living. And this version is bio, but in French it does not mean bio, it does not mean biography, it means organic. So we'll just have to drink and see. Right, Nate?
Right.
I like this one because the taste is relatively simple, so you don't have to be a wine expert to understand this sort of. I remind you that this version is a little bit challenging. If you're only a beginner, I have an easier version of mashed potatoes where you only need basically like milk and potato flakes. It's really easy to make, so if you find this version too challenging, I invite you to watch this video, link in the description.